back, and so just pray for me. You gotta pray for me. I'm gonna pray for me. I hope you pray for me. Yeah, I thank God made a way for me. I got them arms like Goro, shoots you fatally. It's Mortal Kombat fighting, but I'm on these blocks. Offense, defense, my team got a lot. We got it. I'm going to plot on this rap game. My fans turn to things and my flow turn to cocaine. I was in the dope game, then I made a dope change. Now I'm getting more change than to meet a man. Just pray to God that I don't delete your man. I don't trust these niggas. That's why it's guns in my hands and niggas with black masks that's gonna hop up in that van. And I'm gonna be one of them. But you thought it was rapping, like it won't happen. I'm so with the motion, I'm with the action. It's like a fucking movie. I got the Uzi, and I'm gonna shoot the shots until you're oozing blood. I don't know which way it's gonna go. I'm never lacking, but I'm pistol packing. So just pray for me. You gotta pray for me. I hope they pray for me. One day just pray for me. Hey, I don't know which way it's gonna go. I'm never lacking, so I'm pistol packing those. Just pray for me. You gotta pray for me. I hope you pray for me. Hey, just pray for me. Hey, I need y'all to pray for me. That's why I'm here. The maze magicians, they wanna see me disappear. But I don't fuck with the magic. I just blast it and I leave the scene tragic. And smoke only the good, that's classic. And do it all the time like Nike. My life a movie. Where the fuck is Spike Lee? I know niggas bought them colors like Ice-T. And right now, it's me against the world. And last night, it was me up in your girl. I had her screaming, creaming, and dreaming. Then I was chilling, smoking, and steaming. Ha! I got it smoking like a sauna. I'm smoking on that presidential Obama. And stay getting that motherfucking girl whopper. That's why your bitch say I'm the king. She want my